But sooner or later, she said that I'm live in regards to this broadcasting thing on YouTube. And this video is pretty much to demonstrate the issues that I'm having with the issues that I'm having with Giraffe and not really understanding what I'm doing wrong as I use this Postman tool. So, Giraffe is this F sharp library framework. I don't know what you call it. I guess I would call it a framework for essentially doing or handling web requests. So the issue that I'm having is I'm able to fetch YouTube data, right? That stuff works. That's defined up here. Just fetch YouTube, okay? But what I'm struggling with, and I don't understand because it's like very, very minimal, is I can't trigger the breakpoint for this fetch platforms. I don't know why. Ugh. So this is what I'm having the issue with. I guess I could kill you. I mm, I posted this question on Stack Overflow, unable to trigger web requests implemented in Giraffe, and I think I was somewhat detailed. And people are like, "Well, yeah, it should work." Especially the person that wrote Giraffe, this Dustin Morris. He responded and he says pretty much it works on my machine. So I'm kind of stuck. The thing that I noticed is that when I look at his screenshot, when I look at Dustin's screenshot, he has headers and then he has two, right? And I don't have that. And he shows that, his stuff is working, but I don't have the headers too. And I'm curious if that's the reason why. So if I go to Postman over here, platforms, you see headers, it doesn't have anything. It doesn't have anything. So I'm curious if that's the reason why I'm experiencing the issue that I'm experiencing. But in a way, I feel like, no, I shouldn't be experiencing it at all because this is very basic. Like, I don't understand. Now, what's strange is this YouTube, if I call my YouTube service, which is this right here, and I pass in some parameters, this stuff works, man. And you see my Visual Studio Code debugger, that that gets triggered, the breakpoint gets triggered, and yeah, that works. Now go back to Postman, and you see this data right here that just got generated. All right, so if that works, why the freak is this not working? Like this local host platforms, like this is defined down here. Come here. This is my YouTube. This is my platforms. The difference is YouTube takes parameters, platforms doesn't. The author of Giraffe says, "Hey Scott, everything looks good," and I don't understand the difference. The other difference I see on his screenshot is he has his thing set to JSON. He has his list view selected on JSON, and mine, I don't I don't have that. And so like if what's this right here? Come here. If I go here and I select JSON, just like I see on his JSON, then I get this unexpected end. I don't know what that means. Like, I don't understand this stuff. I really want to use Giraffe because all the DLLs are loaded on here, and I feel like it's probably gonna cost me like maybe 15 minutes of work to remove all that and then load up ASP.NET Web API, uh, targeting the F sharp programming language, and I just don't want to do that overhead. So I mean, this stuff should work. I'm sure it does, but there's something that as a novice I'm just not getting. So yeah, I don't know. I'm like, let me kill this. Over here, you see I attempted to add a header. I say content type application JSON. I don't even know what that means. Like, the stuff should just work. You know, if I take this URL and I just paste it in here, it should just trigger, man. But I get this not found, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong. And I don't want to go to ASP.NET Web API. I want to use this Giraffe thing. So yeah, this is on the solution. This code base. This is on my GitHub Nikeza account. So you go to github.com/Nikeza, and this is pretty much the code base. This specifically is Nikeza's server, and it's just not working out for me. So that's pretty much it. Let me terminate this. Stop broadcast.